Hi, and welcome to Studio Live, AI Explained. In this series, we're going to cover the hands-on, standalone operation of the Studio Live AI series of digital mixing consoles from PreSonus. What you see right here is the 32-channel board. I call it the 32AI. There's also a 24-channel board and a 16-channel board in the same product line. And in the video series, we're going to cover all of them. We're going to start here with the 32-channel board, go over the basics and the fundamentals of mixing with the Studio Live system, and then we'll cover the differences on the 24-channel and the 16-channel board. The 16-channel board is a little bit different because it has a slightly more compact fat channel, this section right here that includes the EQ. Otherwise, the boards internally are all identical. They have different numbers of auxiliary outputs, and this board has the mute groups and the mix scenes, which are right on the front panel, which you wouldn't find on the other boards as well. Now, if you're familiar with these boards at all, you're aware that it's part of an entire system that allows you to do recording, remote control from a computer. You can control the mix using an iPad. You can control your on-stage monitor mixes, artist by artist using iPhones or maybe an iPod Touch. Now, the networking capabilities are really important with this board, but they're not what we're going to cover in this video series. We're going to cover standalone functionality, how to use this board hands-on on the front panel, on the control surface, in order to mix the front of house sound for your show. That's the sound the audience is going to hear, as well as individual mixes for monitor mixes. We'll also cover how to set up and do sound checks, how to use the headphones, how to use the built-in effects, and the fat channel, and all of the processing that allows you to have for every channel. There's graphic equalizers as part of the system, as well as comprehensive metering. So we'll be going over all that in this series, and that will give you a good understanding of how to get started with this system. And then stay tuned for future series where we'll cover all the connectivity that comes along with this. So to finish the introduction of this board in the series, let's run a little music through the board and see if we could put together a simple mix.
Slightly line me right through our door. I don't presume that I won't get used to it now. Give me a time or two more. Oh, 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 hold my hand. So hold my hand and know that I stand right by your side in all these good and bad.
All right, well, that was fun. And we're going to get into a lot more mixing and a lot more detail about how to use this board in the series. And we're going to get started right away in the next video. Thanks for watching.